Welcome to the United Kingdom. In this video, join us as we explore the most captivating places in this corner of the world. Number 10. Brecon Beacons, a realm of untamed beauty nestled in the heart of Wales. In this enchanted national park, nature unfolds in its purest form. From the shimmering lakes to the mesmerising dance of waterfalls, every corner is a canvas of wonder. Whether you're a seasoned hiker, a cycling enthusiast, or simply enjoy the outdoors, the Brecon Beacons provides numerous opportunities for outdoor activities. Hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, and water sports are just a few of the adventures waiting for you. It is also one of the best places in the world for stargazing. On a clear night, you can witness the Milky Way, meteor showers, and countless stars, creating a truly magical experience. If you seek solace and a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, the Brecon Beacons provides a peaceful retreat where you can reconnect with nature. Number 9. The Yorkshire Dales, a place in northern England where nature's poetry comes to life, written in the language of rugged landscapes and timeless charm. In this enchanting national park, every corner is a postcard-worthy moment. Hikers explore ancient footpaths, and families can create cherished memories by babbling brooks. It's a home of one of the most iconic geological formations in the UK, Malham Cove, a natural limestone amphitheatre whispering tales of ancient landscapes etched in stone. Visiting the Dales allows you to reconnect with nature, appreciate its beauty, and experience the therapeutic benefits of spending time in the great outdoors. Number 8. The Peak District, a national park in central England where nature's beauty meets timeless heritage. Whether you're a hiker, cyclist, rock climber, or simply enjoy outdoor activities, the Peak District offers a wealth of opportunities. Explore the extensive network of hiking trails, including iconic routes such as Kinder Scout. Don't miss the breathtaking sights from Mam Tor. Take a ride through iconic Winnet's Pass, known for its dramatic steep-sided cliffs, winding road, and unique geological features, making it a popular destination for hikers, cyclists, and photographers. If you seek serenity and a break from city life, the Peak District provides a tranquil escape with its stunning natural surroundings. Keep an eye out for wildlife, including red deer, birds of prey, and even elusive mountain hares, especially in the upland areas. Number 7. South Downs, a place in the southern part of England known for its breathtaking landscapes, including rolling chalk hills, picturesque valleys, and stunning coastal cliffs. The Seven Sisters chalk cliffs along the Sussex coastline are one of the park's most famous features. Hike along the cliff tops for awe-inspiring coastal views and photo opportunities. The South Downs Way, a long-distance hiking trail, is one of England's 16 national trails. It covers a distance of approximately 100 miles, stretching from Eastbourne in East Sussex to Winchester in Hampshire. Join us on a captivating journey through the South Downs, where every hill, every path, and every sunset whispers tales of natural wonder and heritage. Number 6. Cornwall, where sea and land entwine, inviting you to explore a world of natural wonder. Located in England's southwest, Cornwall's long unspoiled coastline offers adventure and relaxation. In Cornwall, you can have exciting rides and enjoy a lively surf culture on its rugged coast. Marvel at iconic sites such as St Michael's Mount, a castle perched on an island, and the Minnick Theatre, a cliffside amphitheatre where drama meets nature. Cornwall is a place where you can reconnect with the natural world. Come and experience its nature for yourself. Number 5. Jurassic Coast. Southern coast of England, where time itself is written in stone and the Earth's history unfolds before your eyes. It spans approximately 96 miles of coastline, primarily in the counties of Dorset and East Devon. The coastline is visually stunning, with towering cliffs, natural arches like Durdle Door, and tranquil coves such as Lulworth Cove. The Jurassic Coast is not only famous for its fossils, but also for its role in advancing the science of geology. Visitors to the Jurassic Coast can admire the red cliffs as part of the diverse geological and scenic features that makes this coastline a World Heritage Site. Number 4. Causeway Coast, stretching along the rugged northern coast of Northern Ireland. Thrill seekers can cross the exhilarating Carrick-a-Reid rope bridge, which spans a 100-foot chasm and offers stunning coastal views. The Giant's Causeway, one of the most famous attractions on the Causeway Coast, is a natural wonder known for its hexagonal basalt columns. Legend says a giant named Finn McCool made these columns, but the real story is just as fascinating. About 60 million years ago, hot lava cooled quickly, forming the unique hexagonal shapes that we see now. Join us on an unforgettable journey along the Causeway Coast. Number 3. Snowdonia, a mesmerising wilderness nestled in the heart of North Wales. During the winter months from late November to early April, Snowdonia's mountains can be covered in snow, creating a picturesque winter wonderland. The snow allows for winter sports and adds a beautiful backdrop for hikers and lovers of the outdoors. One of Snowdonia's crown jewels is its collection of serene lakes and cascading waterfalls. You'll be captivated by the calm reflections on these clear waters and the soothing sounds of nature. Challenge yourself to hike or climb to the summit of Snowdon, Wales' highest peak, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that will take your breath away. Number 2. Lake District National Park, nestled in the heart of Cumbria, England. The scenery, lakes and peaks are absolutely breathtaking. Admire Windermere, the largest natural lake in England, known for its water-based activities. Visit Ullswater, the second largest lake in the Lake District. For those seeking a challenge, the Lake District is home to Scafell Pike, the highest peak in England. Climbing it is a truly rewarding experience. Numerous mountain passes grant entry to incredibly picturesque regions, but expect narrow and winding roads while navigating them. Hard Knot Pass, a road not for the faint-hearted, is famous for being one of the country's steepest and most challenging roads. Number 1. The Scottish Highlands, with some of the planet's most stunning scenery. For those who love the outdoors, this place is nothing short of paradise. Join us on a journey to discover the must-visit destinations in this region. Our adventure begins with Ben Nevis, the UK's highest peak. Hikers flock here to conquer the summit, where panoramic views await. Explore Loch Ness, the legendary home of Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster. Discover the haunting beauty of Glencoe, a valley steeped in history. Visit the landscapes of the Isle of Skye, where iconic rock formations like the Old Man of Storr await your hike. Explore the mystical charm of Skye's Fairy Glen, a place that feels like it's from a fairy tale. Capture the magic of the Glenfinnan Viaduct, famous among Harry Potter fans, as the Jacobite steam train passes by. This viaduct spans the River Finnan and offers stunning landscape views. If you're as captivated by the beauty of the UK as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel for more incredible travel experiences. Until next time, happy exploring.